Climate change, something that's coming for us all. As a topic is more widely discussed in media, I'm sure most of you know that this is something that we should worry about. But how is our climate starting to change in the first place? Well, it's complicated, but one of the major reasons is the greenhouse effect. But what is the greenhouse effect and how does it work? The greenhouse effect is a phenomenon that occurs when the gases found in the Earth's atmosphere traps in solar radiation that the Earth receives from the sun, not letting it escape. Kind of like a large Earth-sized oven. Now, let's tackle how the greenhouse effect actually works. For simplicity's sake, let's split the Earth's atmosphere into two sections, the upper and lower atmosphere. The sun emits solar radiation through space, which travels through the Earth's atmospheric layers, where it eventually hits the Earth's surface. The Earth's surface then reflects the long-wave portion of solar radiation from the sun. Since the atmosphere contains things like greenhouse gases and water vapor, they will absorb the long-wave radiation that the Earth reflects. Some of this will pass through each layer of the atmosphere, but some will be emitted back towards the Earth's surface by each atmospheric layer. The more greenhouse gases we as humans release, like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, the more this effect will be amplified. Now, the Earth doesn't perfectly absorb all solar radiation. Some of it will be reflected by materials like snow, ice, glaciers, and permafrost. As the Earth starts to warm up due to climate change, all of these materials will start to melt, and as permafrost starts to melt, it will release carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, which increases the amount of greenhouse gases found in the atmosphere. This will, in turn, enhance the greenhouse effect, which will then warm the Earth, which will cause more permafrost to melt, which will enhance the greenhouse effect, which will warm the Earth, which will cause more permafrost to melt, which will enhance the greenhouse effect, which will warm the Earth, which will cause more permafrost. All this, along with human emissions of greenhouse gases, will cause severe climate change. While experts believe that climate change has a near zero probability of wiping out the human race, life as we know it will not be the same.